ZNS is a decentralized name service designed to simplify Web3 interactions. It replaces complex blockchain addresses with easy-to-remember names, making your crypto experience smoother and more user-friendly. To get started with ZNS, head to v3.nnsconnect.io. Then click on Connect. Select your wallet. Retry. Wait for your wallet to load. Click on Next. Confirm. Approve. Approve. Switch network and wait for your wallet to connect. Once our wallet is connected, we start by creating our referral link. To create our referral link, we click on Affiliate, scroll down, click on Create and copy affiliate link. Next thing is to claim your badge. You can claim a badge by participating in on-chain activities. To do that, head to Scroll.io canvas. Click on Connect Wallet. Wait for wallet to load. Select your wallet. Click on Next. Click on Confirm. Click on Switch Network. Wait for it to connect. Scroll down. Click on Switch to Scroll. Click on Approve. Click on Switch Network. Click on Continue. Type your username. Click on Next. Click on Mint My Canvas. Bridge to scroll. Once that is done, go back to ZNS dashboard. Click on Register Domain. Type your domain name. Click on Search. Add to cart. Checkout. Click on Badge. Scroll down to the badge available for you. Click on it. There you go. You have your own badge.